Okay guys, I am up early. This is startup day 3 of our Ramey's adventure on the islands, Lake Erie Islands. But I wanted to get up and show you guys the cottage. This is called the Bird Nest Resort and Cottages. You got the pool, nice little area, pavilion area. This is such a cute and quaint little cottage. See the sunflowers, you got sunflowers, you got barbecue pits. Here's our cottage here, which is very nice. They have a gift shop and free coffee, but I wanted my own coffee, so I brought my own coffee maker. Well, today's excursion is going to be Middle Bass Island, so stay tuned for more. I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.